Hey, it's me, Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, milling machines, saws, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice clean machine. This is a Haas small mini mill, one of the smallest ones they make. Really nice. It has an automatic tool changer, something you won't see on a lot of smaller machines. Even if you're looking for something more of like a Bridgeport style, you can see we have a lot of Bridgeports. If you're looking for a manual mill, we can help you out there. If you want the knee mill, bed mill, CNC, we carry all these types of mills, and if you have one for sale, let us know. We'd love to work with you, even buy, sell, or trade, do a little work there. Today we'll go ahead and show you this machine. It's all original paint. Everything's clean, original, spindle sounds great. We've got our graph right here, just about to start. We'll go ahead and put in our program. And we're off. First, you see our automatic tool changer come in. Now we have our current tool. Another tool change. You can see right here, we're running down our tool changes. Table's moving. This is what it's all about. This is why you buy a Haas. Great running machine. Parts are exceptionally easy to get. Service is really great in just about every state. We have no customers with any problems with Haas. That's one of the biggest reasons that everybody sticks with them. This particular one came out of a small training school. Very low hours, only 300, I think, 300 working hours, 3,000 cycle time on hours. Very low use. It's a great running machine. Let us know if this is the type of machine you're looking for, if this is the Haas you need, if you need something bigger, smaller, vertical, horizontal. We carry all these different types of machines. We're always looking as well. Even if you're looking for an auction, we can do that with Sterling Machinery Auctions. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.